Hello and welcome. Are you looking for a natural and effective way to boost your immune system and protect yourself from harmful viruses and bacteria? Look no further than Perfect Immune. Hi, my name is Emily, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Perfect Immune. Please, disagree with me. Don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Perfect Immune is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because Perfect Immune has been the subject of some fakes. I left the Activation Products website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website, you will find several testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles and sources on which the production of Perfect Immune was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, Perfect Immune is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is Perfect Immune, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes. Perfect Immune is a botanical powder extract derived from the Pelargonium sidoides plant. It grows natively in the harsh environment of Mount Lethoso, South Africa, and has been used for hundreds of years to support your immunity against viral colds, flu, and respiratory tract infections. There are over 40 studies proving its effectiveness at alleviating immune issues and supporting your body's natural healing rate. Simply squeeze a dropperful into your mouth once a day and you'll notice quicker immune response and less time spent ill, even in the winter. With Perfect Immune you will get the following benefits: inflammatory support, protects against type 2 diabetes, support your body in the fight against cancer, helps you improve your brain function. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also important for you to know, Perfect Immune has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural, such as gallic acids, coumarins, quercetin, and many others, natural elements rich in great properties, 100% natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. Also, for Perfect Immune to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Perfect Immune, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee you. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test Perfect Immune for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Perfect Immune from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Perfect Immune actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of Perfect Immune for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.